Hey guys, this is Rednecks Do It Better. Me and my buddy started this channel, but sadly he's not here right now. But this is our little project we're working on. This is a 2015 to 2016 Murray Select 18.5 horsepower single cylinder big bore lawnmower. Originally starting its life with an automatic transmission. Now it has a 5-speed peerless transmission with a 2-inch pulley, 2.5-inch pulley in the back, and a 6-inch up front. There's the motor, and it is straight header. As of the straight header in the Canyon air filter is bone stock. Well, and the transmission pulleys, etc. Stuff to make it go a little bit faster. I'll give you a little test of what it sounds like right now. It's just cold is why it smoked like that. Nothing wrong with the motor whatsoever. If you have headphones on, wish you good luck. Thank y'all for watching. Watch more to come. Next video will be the racing clutch. Then we're going to paint it, put an actual shifter in it, and maybe a light bar and slam it to the ground. Thank y'all for watching. Rednecks Do It Better. Peace out.